Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be working on a set of crimpers. I believe these are Channellocks. Doesn't say, at least I don't see it anywhere. It does insulated and non-insulated there, and it has someone's number. It's R286. It has a E. Looks like EU or E0 there. EU and an O there. Anyways, they're a good set. I mean, nothing wrong. Looks like there's a little bit of damage right there. Might have to file that just a little bit. Cutters are good. What's really strange though is that if you're gonna look, I can get my pick. Looks like an overbite. Looks like that size, just a little bigger. But I know someone has got one identical to these, and it says Channellock on it. Same green handles. It's real tight. There's no looseness to it. Works good. Anyways, somebody happens to be seeing this, watching this video, let me know what you think. Anyways, I'm going to clean these up. I don't know, staining, I don't know if this was a black from factory or polished. I'm going to try to clean them up, see what they look like. Alright, let's see what we can come up with. Alright, this is post-wire brush. There is no name on them. There really isn't. I was surprised. They're heavy made, they're well made. I still think they're Channellocks. They look just like the Channellocks, which is odd. Anyways, we'll clean them up a little bit more. These wire wheels suck. They're throwing all the barbs, all the wires off. Man, this thing's smooth operation. I'm wondering, I don't know, polish this or not. These things are nice looking. Really good shape. I don't know if I should polish these. I don't know what they look like. I think they were black from the factory. That sure has a nice smooth to it though. Texture's a little different right there. Oh well, let's polish them anyways. Let's see what they look like. Alright, starting off I'm gonna use the Scotch-Brite wheel. This is, I believe, 400 grit. Clean them up and then see where we'll go from there. It cleaned up well. No rust on it now, no staining. I think I'm just going to give them a good polish. See what happens. Well, let's do that next. All right, let's try buffing these for a minute, see what they look like. done polishing them, cleaning them up a little bit. Now I just need to go over them with carburetor cleaner to get the polishing compound and maybe wax them a little bit, see what they look like. The polishing compound gets hot and melts, gets in the little places where I really don't like it to get, but it's part of it. Let's see. Yeah, you know what? Let's clean the handle up a little bit and see what we can get off of the handle. This goop, I think. Yeah, Gojo, excuse me. That's what I use. Clean the handle up. Oh man, there's a lot of stuff on the back side here. Let's see. Wire, a little wire brush to it. Oh yeah, getting that black off. Like I said, I believe these are channel locks. They don't say channel locks, but they definitely designed like one. Same handles. I don't know if back in the day they didn't mark them. I don't know. These are older, I know. I got these out of a pawn shop. I think I only paid $1 for them, or less than $1, 50 cents maybe. And I'm wondering, the tips on these are a little, I don't remember looking real close at the other pair to see if the tips were offset like this one. It's got like an overbite. Really turned out well. If you can see under the underside, you can see some of the original blue. The rest of it's turned green. Here's a little blue here where the oil was. All right, now let's put a little wax on them. Wax just helps protect them. Like I said before, I usually don't let my tools get in any water or get dirty very long. If they do get dirty, I clean them before I put them up. I don't put tools in my toolbox dirty. I have a place for everything. I just I can tell if something's missing out of my box. Any of my boxes at work, home, wherever. My wife has a tendency to come out in my toolbox at home and borrow a tool, take it back. She borrows a tool, I don't get it back. Usually it stays in the house somewhere. Yeah, these turned out really nice. They're in really good condition. Yeah, they turned out good. I did take a file and there was a couple of high spots right there. Right there. I just filed just a little bit off of that. But the cutters are in great shape. They're in real good shape. Like I said, there it says non-insulated and insulated. It's just a good pair of crimpers. And I don't know if you can see, it's marked 286. And on this side, I don't know, it's polished off quite. Let's see if I can read it now. I think it's DFW, someone's initials. Almost polished that off. Anyways, these things are really smooth, work really good. There's no loose to it. I mean, $20 pair all day long. 50 cents. I think it was a good purchase. It was rusted pretty good, stained up pretty good, but now they look good. Let's see if you can see the, yeah, they turned out well. Really nice. Alright guys, that's it for that video. I hope you like it. Please like or subscribe, dislike, let me know what you don't like so I'll know what not do next time. Anyways, this is it for this one. Thanks. Have a good evening, ladies and gentlemen.